Welcome to Science Store online classes.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Hello dear students and welcome to CET JEE classes of limits, and in today's class we will continue with the limits at infinity. In the previous class we have already seen three formulas, and in today's class we will start with the fourth formula of limits at infinity. Well, if you have expression of the form a raised to x plus b raised to x plus c raised to x to the power 1 by x, and if limit x tends to infinity, then the value of that limit will be a if a is greater than b and if b is greater than c and all the three are positive. Alright, if all the three are positive and if a is the greatest among b and c, then the answer will be a. Look at the example. So the example is limit of 3 raised to x plus 4 raised to x to the power 1 by x if x tends to infinity. So the answer will be the highest base. Alright, so here the base is 3 and 4. Okay, so which is the largest? A is 4 here, therefore the answer is 4. So please compare with this. And similarly here, this is 5 raised to x minus 8 raised to x plus 7 raised to x plus 10 raised to x. So the thing to be noted here is this is 2 by x. Okay, so this can be written as 1 by x to the power 2 whole square. So if you have limit of f of x into g of x, now what is f of x? See, this is f of x into f of x. So this is a product of two functions. What do you mean by whole square? Multiplied twice. So that can be written as limit of f of x twice. Okay, so take the limit of f of x into limit of f of x. You saw the algebra of limits, correct? So if two functions are multiplied, we can find the limit separately and then multiply the values. Alright, so we are finding the limit value of the given expression, that will be 10 and into 10, so that is basically 10 square. Alright, why this is 10? Because a is the highest coefficient, is highest base is 10. Alright, so if the highest base is 10, the answer is 10, but it is 2 times, so it is 10 into 10 or 10 square, which is 100. I hope you understood this. Well, so that is about a formula. Okay, once again, this is not very frequently asked. Alright, very rarely you get a question on that. Well, now let us see a very important formula. Okay, so you have if you have limit of f of x by g of x, where g of x is not equal to 0 obviously, and if x tends to infinity is of the form infinity by infinity. Right, so x becomes infinity. When x tends to infinity, f of x will tend to infinity, g of x also will tend to infinity. You have infinity by infinity, which is indeterminate form. That's not the answer actually. 0 by 0, correct? Infinity by infinity, so all those are indeterminate forms. Now how do you find that limit then if it is infinity by infinity? You have three different answers depending on the degree of the numerator and the degree of the denominator. Alright, we'll see the examples. Now first it will be 0 if the degree of the numerator is less than degree of the denominator. Let us say degree of the denominator is 3, you have x cube here the highest will be x square, so degree of the numerator is less, therefore the answer will be 0 automatically. Then it will be plus or minus infinity. When it will be plus infinity? If highest degree term in the numerator is positive. Okay, the highest degree term in the numerator is positive, then it will be plus infinity. Okay, and if the highest degree term in the numerator is negative, then it will be minus infinity. If if degree of the numerator is greater than degree of the denominator. All right, so highest power of x is degree. All right, so you have x cube here and x square here. Okay, and coefficient is positive, will get plus infinity. Well, now the answer of this limit will be the ratio of coefficient of highest degree terms in numerator and denominator. Okay, so here you have 4x square, here you have 3x square, both are x square and plus x and 2x, so on, something is there. All right, then the answer will be the ratio of the coefficient of highest degree terms. What is the highest degree term? Here 4x square, the coefficient is 4, and the highest degree term is 3x square, the coefficient is 3. So what is the ratio? 4 by 3. Therefore the answer will be 4 by 3 if the degrees are same. Okay, so three conditions basically: degree of the numerator is less, degree of the numerator is greater, degree of the numerator and denominator are equal. Okay, so depending on that you have 0 or infinity, or you have ratio. Well, so that is about a formula where you have the form infinity by infinity when you have the limit of f of x by g of x as x tends to infinity. Well, let's look at a few examples based on this formula.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.